Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. I just got back from the Dollar Tree. I just put it like that. I've been going to the Dollar Tree. That's one of the only safe stores that I have been really going to. I have not been putting any videos up of Dollar Tree for a while. But I thought I would share some of the new items that I found. Now, this haul that you're about to see is from like 3 or 4 different Dollar Trees that I have been on the hunt looking for these certain items. We're going to start with this first. My grandson's birthday is coming up next month. He's turning 1. And the theme is Sesame Street. So I went to my local Dollar Tree and they had these. So I had bought 2 boxes of them. A lot of the characters were missing. So the first day when I went out, I had bought 11 of them. And you get Cookie Monster, you get Elmo, getting this little Abby, and you get Oscar, and I don't have Grover in front of me, but this is extra that I found because I've been on the hunt for Abby for the girls' bags, and for some reason I went to 3 different Dollar Trees, and every Dollar Tree that I went, I was only able to grab one of these. And I believe this is my second Oscar that I found. But they had so many of the Cookie Monsters. And they had a lot of the Tickle Me Elmos. I'm going to get up and show you the Grover one if I can find it in one of the bags. Real quick while I'm over here, I'll just show you little sample bags of what I'm working on. And this is my Oscar. So I am starting up my Crazy Kids Crafts Etsy store, and these are the type of things that I'm making, but this is the Oscar. So this is the whole set now. I was able to get every character. And I'm not going to pull the box out, but this is what the Oscar looks like. And these are not my labels. But this is my design. In the front it says Messiah 3/6/2021. And then these are the little gift bags that I'm doing. And it has the wet ones. Found these at the Dollar Tree. I bought like 20 of these, and it just says happy birthday. Happy first birthday, Messiah. Did that with my silhouette machine. And then they have like a little bag of candy with his name on it. And then I did like a coloring book packet for the kids. And this is all Dollar Tree stuff and crayons. So that's what I've been working on. I didn't show a lot in the video. You'll see everything set up once I get to the haul and take pictures of everything. But I just wanted to share that with you. And then these are my little gift bags that I am doing for my grandson. And they will be available on my new Etsy store soon. If you have a birthday party and you need gift bags done, I am the gal to help you. So anyway, I had got 3, 4, 5, I got additional 6. So So that put me in, like one day I went and I had got 11, and then I found 5, and now I got 6 as I'm doing 20 bags. So yes, this is the reason why I have this little miniature haul from Dollar Tree, because I was, in there looking for these, but then came across some other fabulous stuff. And I have not been to the Dollar Tree. Ooh. I've just been going in looking for the Sesame Street items. But child, look what they got the nerve to have at the Dollar Tree. These silver and with the pearls. And they had every color. They have it in gold, the pink, like that baby blue, and I think the yellow. And they're starting that crafts square now. My store is finally getting it together and has set up everything. So I got 3 packs at one store. Then I went to another and I found 3 more. So we're going to be doing a fabulous DIY. So I got a total of 6 of these. And then this is something that I have not seen in the Dollar Trees. They have the spray glue for $1, and they're about 1.8 ounces. I haven't tried it out yet, but this will, if you got something that you got to do and lay it down instead of using that heavy, if you just need something to lay down, maybe a ribbon or something instead of using that heavy industrial glue. And then they have at the craft store, at the Dollar Tree, the chalk writers. Now this is in silver. I have already bought a few. I have been using them, so I did not do a video on them. I'm just gonna get this little black piece of paper out and show you what they look like. So silver, I got it in gold, and I got it in white. So that's what the white looks like. And I thought it actually was a pen, but this is what the tip looks like. Not bad. And this is the silver. Now these will run you a couple of dollars over there at Hobby Lobby. Silver kind of looks like white. This is what they look like. If you need chalkboard, writers. So yeah, Dollar Tree, they trying to come out with some new stuff. So I got those 3 colors. I think it was another color that I'm missing. So pick those 3 up. And then I found, I love pink. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 pink masks. And I'm gonna open one up and see what they look like. CDC is saying that we're gonna be wearing masks for a while. They are kind of thin. It's just your typical masks. They're not as heavy. This is more heavier than this one. And I had got these online. I ordered a 6-pack of these for $18. I think they gypped me on them. But it's similar to that mask. And we're gonna throw this on. And it has the coverage. So I got 5 of these. This one will be mine. one open because I know that's going to be mine. And I'm going to be doing a DIY with these as well. So make sure you come back, hit the subscribe button, throw me a like, and leave me a lovely comment. And don't forget to turn the bell on for notifications when I start uploading new videos. So I got 5 of these in the pink, and you'll be seeing a DIY coming soon with these. And another Dollar Tree that I went to, they had the pearl wrap. So I got 4 of these. And, oh, I actually got 5. Oh, I didn't know. Got 5 of them. 5 of these. And I just got picked up, I had picked up 2 packs. I had to open up one today when I went to the doctor's for my hip x-ray. And 2 packs of socks. You know, they don't go all the way up your knee, they just go like almost to your ankle, but these are good when you're wearing your boots. You know, have some type of coverage. I got the socks. Let's get that put away. So I said, you know, at the beginning of the new year, I'm going to be doing DIYs that I can utilize in the house and not DIYs just to be doing a DIY. Because as y'all know, I had to take a break and things were just getting out of control. You know, trying to keep up with all the other collaborators and doing DIYs for this, you know, this person's channel and that person's channel. So I said I'm going to be doing DIYs that I know I need for a fraction of the cost of what you will pay in the store for an item. So I hope you enjoyed this this video. So thank you for coming over. I appreciate you. And like I said, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. I'll see you in another video. Bye-bye.